Hey guys, welcome to another day vlog. We are once again in the studio. It's Saturday. I have an 11 o'clock client. We are doing a root touch-up and a haircut. Yesterday was such a long day for me. You know, during the week I work my corporate 9 to 5, and then on the weekends I do my clients. So that's pretty much my schedule. But yeah, I'm showered, washed, and blow dried my hair. That way later on today I don't have to like do none of that. I have nothing but skincare on right now because I'm gonna do my makeup later on today and I don't want old makeup. So yeah, fresh faced. I feel so very bare. Also, this is my outfit for today. I just have a cute little tank, this like throw on over shirt with these trousers. They're very comfortable. Amazon Skims Marshalls. This already has like color on the sleeves. I used to wear this a lot at Ulta just because it's just the throw on. That's why. Just waiting on her. She's bringing me a chai latte, so I'm really excited. Also, I don't want the faux grass wall anymore. I just don't want it. I don't want the faux grass wall anymore. So now I'm technically stuck. I don't know what I want to do for decor in here. I actually kind of like asked my followers on Instagram and they told me to bring in some plants and, you know, do like a wallpaper. I got so many ideas and they were all great ideas. So if you are watching this and you DM me about ideas, like thank you so much, because I'm like, I don't even want to search for ideas. Like what I had envisioned, I don't want it anymore. I need to get here. The last few years, I mean, this is something I've been wanting.
It's a good piece. That's exactly what I was saying. Like, it's very you.
Yeah, it is. Oh, thank you, Susan. You're so sweet.
Diet anytime soon, or just keep it?
You want to share?
I want to see what it tastes like.
Okay, see what it tastes like.
It's chai.
My little soccer player.
It tastes fine.
How's school?
Good. Yeah, like YouTube shorts.
Are you gonna keep drinking my drink?
You say yeah. You're getting so tall, Sebastian.
I know, you look so cute in your uniform. Let me see.
Nice. Angel City.
Her name is Penelope. This is Rosanna down here. I've had her for a while. I'm gonna put you guys on a tripod, and oh my god, my top. And I'm just gonna like take off this plastic and stuff. I got my little cabinet here. This is where I'm gonna put like all of my product that's over there. I feel like for a second I had ideas for this place at first, and then I kind of was like, scratch those ideas, I don't want to do that. And then so I waited and waited, and then it was just kind of like such a blank canvas. And then I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give it some time for it to like just grow on me. And then for some time I just didn't have any creative inspiration on what I wanted to do. So I remember posting something on Instagram, and then I was like, what should I do? Like, this is the space. I took a picture of it and people were like, add plants. So I got me Penelope, and I'm so happy because she just adds so much life and into this space, and I just freaking love it. I'm gonna actually put her over here, you guys will see, and then I'm gonna take that out, take that table out. All these products and stuff is gonna go in the cabinet. This cabinet will be like right here. Like, I just got tired of having like this like table. Like, this was just like not cute, not the vibe. But I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I may or may not put this mirror on like top of the cabinet here in this area and make it kind of cute. I don't know, we shall see. I can give that back to my mom. This was just like temporary anyways. Yeah, that's the plan. This was my outfit today. You can kind of see it. My outlet's over there. I think I'm gonna have to put the plant on this side. Oh. As opposed to that side, because that's where I hook up my blow dryer. And I have a client right at 4. What time is, am I crazy for doing this all right now? That cabinet I'm not building today. I'm going to build that tomorrow. I'm sweating. So I'll probably just start that in the morning and then, you know, give you guys the rest of the vibe. Hello, so it's the next day. We are back and I'm just gonna give you guys an update. I look a hot mess. Listen, it's my off day. I've been working a lot and I'm not gonna show me anymore. Obviously I'm gonna show like better clips, and I'm still like I like rearranging. All I need to do is just take that cart out that I had over here, bring this over there, and then put that in the garage. That blue cord, I'm gonna wrap it and just put it inside this little basket right here. For now, I'm just gonna fold these towels and then switch this cart to that cart.